kinda got it where you show and tell. I don't need you to tell me cause my eyes work well. You insist on bragging about what you can do.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Maya, one half of the Fit Swim Tanny. Okay, so you guys, today I'm going to be trying out some new products to tame this hair and define this hair. I know I already have a video, a curly hair routine. I will link in the description box down below if you guys haven't seen it. But I just want to try out some new products. The new products that I'm going to be using is the Honey Curl Forming Custard by Design Essentials. I'm going to be using the Coconut Oil Cream Style Pudding, the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Cream Style Pudding. I received this hair from Wiggins Hair. When I first received this hair, it came in this cute little Wiggins Hair box. They have definitely upgraded their package since the last time I worked with them, y'all, and I definitely appreciate this box. This is a really nice box, and I really love it when companies care about their packaging because it shows that they care about their brand. Once meet, never forget, and it's 100% unprocessed virgin human hair. So this delivery did come quick, came in about 3 days. All my AliExpress hair that I get comes in about 3 days usually. Oh, and first off, you guys, I just want to say I started off as a side part. I did start off as a side part, but then after I let the hair dry, I was just playing around with it. And I'm just like, I mean, you know, I just kind of just like the middle part. Cause I know my last video was a side part, and I was just like, I just kind of like the middle part a little bit better. I don't know, I just do. This is what the bundles look like, and this is what the hair look like. And this is what the lace frontal look like. I dig the lace frontal, but this is what it looks like. I let this hair dry overnight, so I am refilming like my intro, my outro. So I did let this hair dry overnight. So this is a new day when I'm filming this. The products that I did use on this hair will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you guys then go check out our description box. The link to this hair that I received from Wiggins Hair will also be in the description box, along with their social media handles, their website links, and everything else and everything good and everything juicy that you want to know. Okay, it's gonna be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check out the description box. I don't know, I say that every video, but yeah, it's true because it's true. So if you guys want to see how I tame this hair, then keep on watching. Alright, so you guys, I'm starting off with my closure blow dryer. I bleached it not, so that's why the closure looks blow dryer and the bundle's not blow dryer. But I'm just going to be splitting this into 2 subsections and then tying off the rest. I'm going to be taking my spray bottle with water. It's a little bit dented up, but I'm just going to spray this whole section down with water. I want this section to be drenched in water, okay? I want it to be drenched, so I'm really going to spray a lot of water. And then after I get done spraying all this water, I'm going to just comb out the section to just make sure I don't have any kinks or naps in it. But right here, you're going to see me. I didn't want to deal with it as a whole section, so I split it up into a subsection and just started spraying more water and comb it out, because I felt like that was very easier for me to split it up into sections instead of just going and trying to detangle everything at once. If you don't know what you're doing to me, if you don't know what you're doing to me, if you don't know what you're doing to me, if you don't know what you're doing to me. Coconut oil curl style cream pudding, and I'm going to place it on this whole entire section. That's how much I'm placing on this section. You can get like a quarter size. I got like a quarter size, and I'm placing it over the entire section. And now I'm going to take my Lotta Body Shape Me curl custard. To me, this kind of looks like snot or like a gooey jello type of thing, and I'm just going to put it over the whole section as well. last, I'm going to take my Honey Curl Foaming Custard by Design Essentials. This stuff smells like grape. It's like I don't know, it's gooey. It's kind of like Jello, but runny Jello. But yeah, I'm just going to put that all in this section as well. Okay, so you guys, now I'm going to drench this section in water. I'm going to be doing the same exact thing to this section and I did to the other section, but I'm going to drench it in water, and then I'm going to comb it out to make sure that it's not tangled and I don't have any kinks or anything in the hair. And after I've combed it out, I'm going to take the coconut oil curl pudding and place it in that section. And then I'm going to take my Lotta Bodies curl custard, put it in the section, and after I take my Lotta Body, I'm going to go in with the Design Essentials Honey Curl Foaming. So I'm going in the same steps for every section that I'm going to be doing throughout this unit. Now this is how this section looks. I'm done with this whole entire section. Now you guys can see that the curls from the closure is a little bit looser than the curls from the bundles. So now I'm just going to tackle this, drench it with water, and then follow the same exact steps as I was in the beginning. It's also, the steps will also be listed in the description box as well if you guys needed some more help. And so I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like. This is what the curls look like. The closure curls look way looser than the bundles, but the curls look really, really nice. Like, really, really nice, you guys. I actually think I'm going to keep this combo because I actually loved how the curls look, like, seriously, on a serious note. If you guys like this video, give me a like, leave me some comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Click the bell so you guys never miss a notification from us. And also share this video everywhere. And if you guys, and also you guys, follow my social media. Like, follow my Instagram, add me on Snapchat. I'm pretty sure it was in the beginning of the video. I may insert it again right here. But you guys go ahead and follow me because I need some more followers. But go ahead and follow my Instagram. And yeah. The closure to me is looser than the bundles. I feel like the bundles are just a tad bit more curlier than the closure to me. But that's fine and dandy because I know I can make it match. You know, I can make it fit and I can make it do what it's so, okay? So, yeah, that's not really a big deal to me. The hair, the shedded hair, when I was combing this hair out, you would think that this is curly hair, so we have a lot of freaking shedding or a lot of freaking hair up in these hair. You think a lot of freaking hair will be coming out of this curly hair, okay? But it didn't. Like, this is it. Like, literally, this is it. Out of this right here, this is it, okay? This is it right here. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, I literally thought it was gonna be way more than this, but it wasn't. So it feels pretty good. It feels soft to me. When I was using these products, some of the hair kind of got a little bit crispy. So what I did was just break it apart with my fingers and just ran a little bit of water on the crispy pieces, and it just softened it right back up. So if you have any crispy strands or anything in your hair, then that is what you can do. That's what I did to kind of soften it back up. You know, hey, that's just what I did, and it did the job pretty well. It does have like a hair smell, like I don't know, it just smells like, it don't smell like corn chip, it don't smell like feed. It just, that hair smell that you get, like that brand new hair smell that you get, I don't know what this smell is or what to call it, but that's just the brand new hair smell. This is what the bundles look like, and this is what the hair look like, and this is what the lace frontal look like. I did the lace frontal, but this is what it looks like. I did bleach knots on my lace frontal. I always bleach knots on my lace frontal. Some people stop bleaching the knots because they said that it makes their lace frontal shed. I've actually found that to be true on some lace frontals. Like, so I'm going to be thinking of a new method to do, or looking up a new method to do to see if it actually works. So, but with this lace frontal, it didn't. With this lace frontal, that wasn't the case. And also, this is not my first time working with this company. I will leave the first hair review video or hair video that I did with this company in the description box down below, so you guys can go check it out. Make sure you guys go check that video out, okay? Alright, so you guys have reached the end of this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for continuing to support us and watch our channel. If you share this video everywhere. Okay, Mia wants to be childish and throw dimes over here. Well, thank you for throwing dimes, because I am a dime, okay?
You're working for a nickel and a dime.
I'm a dime. Get out. Alright, so you guys, yes, if you guys want to purchase this hair or want to find out more about this company, I will leave everything in the description box down below. So make sure you guys go check out the description box, and let's get it. I'm just playing. But okay, so you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.